So OpenClaw is definitely some incredible tech. It's groundbreaking, very, very impressive. If you're living under the rock, I can put you up to speed. OpenClaw is basically a an agent framework for AI where you can create a bunch of agents that work for you, almost similar to having a bunch of employees that work for you 24/7 doing whatever you ask them to do. I do know people already who are using them as personal agents or personal assistants. Some of them have fired even their actual personal assistants. They're just using OpenClaw agents to get things done. And as a trader, naturally, my reaction was, what can I do with this technology? So I went all in. You've seen the couple of videos that I've made showing exactly what you can do with OpenClaw, but also how to set it up. The most popular way has been that you buy a Mac Mini, which costs money, but I'm not about doing that. So it's why I showed you guys the way to do it with VPS and so on. So that's OpenClaw. Now let's get to the cut of this video. So why I'm actually making this video today is that I realized that when it comes to AI or OpenClaw itself, as far as trading, the problem is never execution, because what these AI agents on OpenClaw are doing, they basically execute trades for you. You can command them using WhatsApp. You can command them using Telegram, tell them whatever you want them to do, and they'll go ahead and do it. But execution in crypto is not really the problem, because even crypto exchanges, they do have bots and systems to help you sort of automate part of your trading. So just automating things is not really the problem itself. And I spent the entire 2 weeks trying to figure out what would be the actual real solution to use all this AI stuff to actually generate income from crypto, from trading and other crypto activities that I already do anyway. So it's partly what I want to share in this video with you guys, and I think you'll find it really, really helpful. So let's first understand, why do people fail in crypto, right? And the reason is simple. If you ask me, it's because crypto is too fragmented. You've got so many things going on at once. You got DeFi, and then you got perps, then you got poly market as well. You got meme coins, you got all these other, you got NFTs, you got so many variations of things going on at the same time, to the point that by the time the alpha is rotating from one market or one segment of the market to the other, you don't have time to catch up. So it turns out that you're only one person. You cannot do everything reasonably enough, or you will never be deep enough in all sectors enough to make money. However, if you were only focused on one thing, one area of the market, you would be much more profitable. That's for sure, whether it's perps. But as you know, what happens in crypto is that today you use meme coins, and then you were trading NFTs or you are doing DeFi, and then you're like, oh, now I have to learn this whole thing again. By the time you understand what's going on, the opportunity is already gone. So how do you fix that? It's where I ended up to what I'm about to show you guys with you today. So because the opportunity keeps shifting, the real solution is not to build a random bot like what most people are doing. The solution is to build an AI system that will help you track the most important things and only surfaces the decision-worthy signals and information. And then you can get the bots and the OpenClaw agents to execute based on that. Okay, so let me give you an example of what I've been building, or what I'm still building right now. So this is all, I've been working on this for the last 2 weeks. So what I ended up doing, I saw the limitations of OpenClaw, because it can be very expensive because you spend AI tokens with it. So that is a limitation. You have to be careful where you want to spend it. So I asked the AI agents themselves to create me a command center where I can track what each one of them is doing. So, I have Dariana, Fabiana, and Brasho, and a bunch of agents with names. And then I'm tracking what they do using this dashboard that they built for me themselves. Okay. And then I went beyond just OpenClaw, and then I went to other systems or other AI systems to now build me a dashboard that reports to me in a form of signals from different areas. So here I do have indicator signals, like these ones are coming from Nitrous Bull. These signals are also some of them are being reported into my Telegram group. Automatically, they're being reported by an AI agent. There are 2 that I've added in the group. If you're in the Telegram group, you'll be able to see that I've added 2 bots in there. Really good signals, because they posted these signals yesterday when Bitcoin was at around $69,000. As we speak now, the price of BTC is $73,000. So really, really, really good stuff there. Okay. And then what I ended up doing on top of that, I also went on, I went on to create another lane of signals, which reports to me what Hyperliquid whales are doing. As you know, I've been tracking the whales on Hyperliquid, following what they're doing. And as you can see from yesterday, the most significant trades, or the last reports that were reported, they were all long on March 12th here. This guy went long, this guy went long, this guy went long, and this is a big whale. Whale number 1 on Hyperliquid went well yesterday. He put down $150,000. So when you start looking at signals like this, then your conviction would improve and say, okay, maybe it's time to go long as well. So what this means is that if you have clean signals, because these are not random, they're all filtered by AI, they're only reporting noteworthy signals. So let's say if 6 or 7 of the top 10 whales are all going long at the same time or in the same day, it will report to me as a signal. And then based on the bots that I've created, because I also have a bot system here that I created, I can create a bot to track specific data and then to act and execute trades based on those variables. And then I have an AI desk here, which is coming soon. It will be generating ideas. And then I'm also adding a polymarket signal system here, where instead of me, going on polymarket all day trying to figure out what's going on, I'm just going to filter specific signals, noteworthy trades, noteworthy events within that. And then I get the signals. And if there is a noteworthy signal that is really rare and unusual, I'll get an agent to now act upon that. So what would happen is that, let's say, one signal is standing out, like let's say the number 1 whale, this one, has made a big trade and a lot of others are following. The AI agent using OpenClaw will now write me a message like George Soros. That's what I call the bot. The agent will write to me like, hey, Gray, this is happening. There's this unusual trade. The top 5 of all whales on Polymarket are going long, or if it's on Hyperliquid, it's the same. Maybe this is a trade to take. Do you want me to take on this trade? Then I'll be like, yeah, go ahead and take it. How much money you want me to put down? I would also put it, or I can simply control that by using the settings that I have when I'm creating a new bot right here. So that is basically the best model that I can see. You could use AI to generate income or to turn it into something more useful and more important, or OpenClaw to something more important than just creating bots that you just chat to all day and burning tokens. The same with arbitrage. I'm also going to add another dashboard here, another container that is purely tracking arbitrage opportunities. So as you can see, if you experiment enough with these tools, you're more likely going to come up with a real system. And most importantly, you can finally create an income machine using AI where you can rely on and say, look, every month, maybe AI is making me $30,000 or $40,000 a month by just the systems and the agents that I'm running. So I will be sharing more videos on the systems that I'm building. I'll also be sharing some of these tools to you guys. More experiments are coming, more AI and crypto workflows that I'm creating. I'll be sharing them. Make sure you join my Telegram group and subscribe if you want to follow the journey of building an AI automated income system, that does trading, Polymarket, and everything else. Okay. If you want to know where this is going, surely subscribe to the channel. And to leave you guys with some goodies, if you go on my website, greatbtc.io, you're going to find the best crypto deals. If you're looking for welcome bonuses, if you're looking for low fees when you trade, low commissions, if you're looking for DeFi earning opportunities with stable coins, you go to my website, you'll find links to platforms that I personally use and I recommend. And also, if you're looking to get funded as a trader, You can get that actually from HashEdge. It's also available right here. And if you're looking for AI tools, I've added a lot of them here below the AI tools to multiply your edge. I'll keep on adding more tools with everything that I also discovered. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Wishing you all the best. I think we're now living the future that we have been waiting for so long. So let's use it the right way. See you next time.